Good afternoon, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about our equations of motion. For a freely falling bodies. Just wait for 2 minutes. Our friends may have to go there. It is lecture number. It is what? 4. All the students listen carefully. You know very well. Yesterday we already discussed it when the body is in linear motion. Okay, now at that time we have the equations of motion. Yes, the variable things for this man is taken as the velocity change we are taken as v, and the position change that will be taken as the x. Okay, now and as well as the traveling distance taken as the s, and acceleration taken as a, time taken as t. These are the for a one-dimensional motion for a linear motion, and as well as these are the variable things. This is the position, this is the velocity. This is a displacement or a distance traveled by the body, and A is the acceleration, and as well as the T is the time taken for the total thing. Okay, these are the regularly we are considered in the last classes. Now there is we are taken about when one body is not a linear, the body is traveling in somewhat height from the earth. Okay, clear or not? It is a flight mode. Means what? Somewhat a bird I am taken or aeroplane I am taken. Okay, now at that particular time, how we discuss the motion of the body? Yeah, there is these values are all changes here. The position not a problem. We are made designated with the x only. Yes, but velocity not a changes. It is the v or u. Okay, but the distance. Okay, the distance is taken not a s. It is a h. Okay, clear or not? The height traveled by the body at the height from the earth. Okay, like that we are taken. This is replaced by H, and A is also replaced by the G. G is called acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now yes, and here there is a time as usual. Understood not all of you? The new word is the came for us called acceleration due to gravity. Yes, which one is the called acceleration due to gravity? Okay, now the acceleration which contain the body which is influenced by the gravity forces. Got it or not? It is a called acceleration due to gravity. Yes, which one is called acceleration due to gravity? When one body is traveling with influence of gravity force, it is called acceleration due to gravity. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and it is not equal to our linear acceleration. I hope you got it. It is not equal to a linear acceleration. Linear acceleration is totally different from acceleration due to gravity. Got it or not? I hope you got it. This information. Yes, and here the body is a contain now acceleration due to gravity. The stock piece when it is a flight, it is a contain acceleration due to gravity. What is a gravity? Yeah, every two bodies in the universe is influenced by one common force. Okay, one is attracting on another one with one force. Okay, that is only called gravity force. Gravitational force it is. Okay, now in the solar system, the sun is give a gravity on all the planets. Okay, now and comets, meteoroids, satellites, and all these things. Okay, now one planet to the another planet is also attracted. Okay, now yes, and this chalk piece and you attracted. This chalk piece and me attracted. The mobile phone and me attracted. Around whatever the things are there, everything is attracted with one another with influence of one force. That force is only called what? That force is only called gravitational force. Understood all of you? That force is called what? Nana? Gravitational force. Okay, now every body is attracted the body towards its. Okay, now suppose there is a one mango tree is there. Okay, now the mango tree contain a mangoes na. Okay, clear or not? Suppose one mango is there here. This mango is attracted towards the earth. Understand all of you? One more, it is a common thing, but we don't know. Earth is also attracted towards the mango. Mango is also attracted the earth. Earth is attracted the mango. Understand all of you? Both are contained forces. Okay, now that is only called the gravity force. Every body is attracted another body. Okay, yes, with some distance, with influence of masses. That will be coming in your gravitation lesson. Okay, Newton gravitational law is called Newton gravitational law. Every two bodies in the universe attracted with one another with influence of one force. Got it? I hope you got it. It is. Yes, that is called what? Gravitational law. Okay, now what is the universal gravitational law? Yeah, when there is a consider two bodies, M1 and as well as the M2. Okay, now for idea purpose, I am given this. Again, at a gravitational lesson, it will be very good for us. Okay, now yes, the force is attraction is there. The force of attraction between these two bodies are directly proportional to the product of its masses. Understand all of you? Force is directly proportional to M1 and M2. It is directly proportional to masses. It is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Got it or not? Force is inversely proportional to square of the yes between them. Okay, distance between them. Okay, one body is away from another one. There is attraction forces decreases. One body is attracted with other one. The attraction forces increases when they nearer with each other. When they go away from one another, there is that much of attraction force is not there. Actually, one planet is there. Before that, may don't know in your childhood there is a what? Myself, I am taken the planets are 9, but there is a not 9 according to scientifically. There is a not a 9th planet is not there. Okay, now yes, the Pluto is called a 9th planet. Now the Pluto is not taken as a planet. We are taken 8 is only the planets now. Okay, why? Because there is a what? It is the attraction force is the decreases, and lastly it is a totally okay na. Yes, it is not a contain any attraction between the solar system. That's why it is not considered as planet. Okay na. Why? Because it is a very long distance compared with other planets. Understand all of you? Like that, the gravitational force are contained between every two bodies in the universe. Yes, but depending on the distances, depending on its masses, it will be active. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Why we are all looks like come towards the earth? Yeah, earth is a contain heavy mass. Okay, that is why only we all are looks like coming towards the earth. We don't know, but earth is also coming towards us. Okay, clear or not? Yes, yeah, we are attracted the earth also. Earth is also attracted by attracted us. Understood all of you? Both every two things are compulsory attracted with one another. Understood or not? I hope you got it this information. That is because of gravity. Okay, clear or not? It is a one type of force. Yes, we call it is in physics weight. Okay, clear or not? Mass is different from weight. You know very well. Okay, the gravitational lesson may get it is. Mass is totally different from weight. Weight is nothing but what? Gravitational force acting on the body. It is changes from place to place. Suppose you are on the moon, your weight is a different. Okay, now 1/6 part on it. Okay, now, but what is changes? What is not changes? Mass is not changes. Mass is universal constant. Suppose you are at a 50 kgs now, wherever you go, it is a 50 kgs only. But what is changes? Weight is a changes. Why weight is a changes? Formula of weight is a what? F is equal to Wg. Okay, sorry. W is equal to mg. W is equal to what? No, m into g. Here mass is a constant. What is the changes? Acceleration due to gravity is a change. Yes, suppose you take it is on Earth. Okay, GE. It is a 9.8 meter per second square. Suppose you take it is on a moon. It will become what? 1.6 meter per 66 meter per second square. Got it or not? Yes. Suppose you go for a sun. It is a 29.4 meter per second square. Got it or not? It is not same. What is this value? The change of the acceleration of the body when it will become from some height and maximum equal to 9.8 meters per second. Yes, it is also not the same and on Earth. Somewhat changes at equator. It is changes at a pole. It is changes. Okay, now yes, and that is a different. That is acceleration due to gravity topic. Okay, acceleration. Gravitation topic may get for you. Understood at all? The gravity is the changes from planet to planet. Gravity is the changes from position to position on Earth also. But normally, universally, we are taken what? Acceleration due to gravity on Earth 9.8 meters per second square. Okay, now yes, now why? Because we have to know this thing. Yes, there is our linear acceleration is replaced by what? Linear acceleration is replaced by which thing? G. Linear acceleration is replaced by which one? G. Got it? Yes. And the linear acceleration, I think, but depending on a force applied on the body. Okay, now muscular force, tension force, normal force, like that. When we apply that forces, that will be produced the what? Acceleration. But the acceleration due to gravity is not like that. Gravity is only produced that. Okay, when body gravity is a producer that acceleration due to gravity. Understood not all of you? This is only about our acceleration due to gravity. Understood or not? The acceleration of the body, which is a contained due to the gravitational force, it is called acceleration due to gravity. Gravity is nothing but attraction nature of the body. Okay, now from one another in the universe. Yes, it is only called a gravity force. Gravity force is directly proportional to product of its masses. It is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Okay, now here F is equal to gravitational force is equal to written as directly proportional to M1 and 2, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, now M1 and m2 masses, and here the distance is the r I am taken. Now it will become what? Directly from 1 and 2 equation. Okay, from 1 and 2 equations, it is written as F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. Got it or not? Now F is equal to taken as G into m1 m2 by r square. Got it or not? Yes. Yes, I hope you got it here. Yes, this is only called a gravitational force. Okay, this gravitational force is only produced with the what? G. Yes, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, got it. This is contained in your first page. Okay, now. Yes, please note down if required it is gravitational force. Okay, now F is equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. Here G is a called universal gravitational constant. M1 is a body, any body M. M2 is any body M2, and the distance between the one body to other is a R. Okay, about this information in again gravitational lesson may get for you clearly at that place it will be there. Okay, yeah. Yeah, next to students, there is a why the acceleration due to gravity value is a 9.8. Okay, na? Yes. Why it is a 9.8? Huh? Why I have written 9.8 only it is? Why? Because I am not go with other value. Yeah, we have to prove that. Yes, we have to prove that it is not contained in our textbook. Okay, now once we go through that. Listen carefully. Yg is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. You know very well. There is a units, no problem about the units. In MKS, acceleration units are meter per second square only, na. Then CDS centimeter per second square. There is no change in that. Why we taken this 9.8? Which come from where? From this formula. Yes, what is that? Gravitational force. Gravity force is equal to taken as what? It is equal to taken as F is equal to G into S M1 M2 by R square. You know very well about this. Okay, now only we solve it. Suppose one man here, one it is the earth and taken it is the earth and one tree it is there on it. Okay, one mango is comes towards it. I am taken earth mass is M. Yes, this mango mass is taken as small m. Okay, now yes, understood or not? Earth mass is capital M, mango mass is small m. Means what? There is a mass m and capital M. The distance between these two things are taken as R. This is a small m. What is this small m? I thought it is a mango. Okay, now yes, now I am taken it is a what? Earth it is. Okay, clear or not? It is a what? It is okay, it is taken S. The mass of Earth is taken capital M. Now this is the R. Okay, now the force between these two things is the capital F. Now there is a F is gravitational force for small m and capital M masses. What it becomes? For a small m and capital M masses, what becomes? Just there is a change M1 and M2. That's it. F is equal to taken as what? G into M and capital M by R square. Okay, clear or not? Yes, I am written it is small m into Gm by R square. No problem, na? This is taken as equation number 1. Got it or not? Yes, I hope you got it. It is. Now, you know very well from Newton's second law. From Newton's second law. What is the Newton's second law? From Newton's second law. What is that? F is equal to ma. Written or not it is. Now there it is a which type of body? Freely falling body. But here A is equal to what? A is equal to taken as G, acceleration due to gravity is working. In this particular condition, which one is working? Acceleration due to gravity is only working here. Now then it is a become what? F is equal to mg. This is equation number 2. Okay, now it is also gravity force only or not? Why? Because I am taken here G. It is a gravity force and it is also gravity force. So here equation 1 become, here equation 1 is equal to what? Equation 2. Okay, now clear or not? Now it become what? Small m into Gm by R square is equal to taken as what? Mg. It is equal to taken as mg. Equation 1 is equal to equation 2 or not? This is the gravitational force only. This is also gravitational force only. Both are same. That's why they are taken LHS is equal to RHS here, like that. Okay, now this m and m cancel, get each other. What is the G value? G is equal to Gm by R square. This is the formula for the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, here what is the G? Universal constant. Okay, now universal acceleration constant. What is the M? Mass of the earth. Okay, what is the R? What is the R? Yes, distance between the any two particles. Okay, clear or not? Suppose we are on surface of earth. We are taken a distance toward at the center of earth. We are taken up to center of earth. Where the gravity is there, where the gravities are there for the body, at the center of the body. Yes, that is why we are taken center of earth. Then what is the distance it is become now? What is the distance it is become? Radius of earth. The radius of earth is 6,400 kilometers. Got it or not? What is the radius of earth? 6,400 kilometers. Yes, please. I give the answers. Yes, for you, you note down up to here. This is the formula for the acceleration due to gravity. when you substituted that G value and M value and R value, all are in this, you get the value is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. What is the mass of Earth? Mass of Earth, what is the mass of Earth? Who calculated, sir, the mass of Earth? That is only your doubt. Okay, now from this theory only they calculated. You have it in your gravitation lesson. Okay, now that is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. The mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. The three values you have to substitute in G value. You'll get that value is equal to 9.8. Okay, now once you copy it, then after I want to substitute these values here. Okay, no place for me here. Understood all the students? There is somewhat here. First, we have to know why we written the G value. That is why I have given this. Then after we go with the equations of motion. Yeah, listen carefully after this. Yeah, next, all the students listen carefully. Here, gravitational constant. G is the what? Gravitational constant. This is what? Small g. Capital G it is. And the mass, M is the mass of Earth. Mass of Earth. Yes, next, radius of Earth. Yes, mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. And here, there is a gravitational constant value is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Yes, minus 11. Newton meter square by kg square. Not kg square, it's kg only. Now there is the radius of Earth is 6,400 kilometers. Now convert it into meters. That is the 6,400 into 10 to the power of 3 meters. Means what? 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meters it is. Okay, these are the values are there for the Earth actually. For a Earth, it is our gravitational constant. It is everywhere. It will be same only. Okay, now wherever you go in a universe, it will be same. But it is a mass effect. It will be radius of Earth. This is the changes for our body to body and planet to planet. That's why only the G value also varied here. Understood all of you? Yes. And now what is the G formula? G is equal to Gm by R square. This is equation number 3. Okay, now these values are substituted in our equation number 3. Above values are beside these values. Yes, values of G, capital M and R substituting where? Substitute in our equation 3. Equation 3. Got it or not? Now it will become what? It will become G is equal to what is the G value? 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, now into M. M is what? 6 into 10 to the power of 24 plus 24 by what it will be there? 6. Okay, now 4 into 10 to the power of 6 meters whole square it is. Okay, now Gm square na. Yes, these values are substituted. These are all the 3 values are substituted in this particular formula. Okay, now we'll get the G value. G is equal to taken as now it is the 6.67 into 6. Okay, now into 10 to the power of plus 11 minus 11 and as well as the plus 24. Got it? Returnable or not it is? Now there it is a 6.4 whole square into what? Into 10 to the power of plus 12. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now it will become what now? G is equal to taken as 6.67 into 6 by 6.4 whole square. It is equal to taken into what? Into 10 to the power of minus 11. It will become 2 here 10 to the power of minus 12. It is become what? 10 to the power of 24. This is a minus 23. Okay, now it will become plus 24. Only 1 it is remain. Understood not all the students? Now it is also written as B is equal to 6.67 into 6 into 10 by what? 6.4 into 6.4. Yes, once do it, it will be get as a what? 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, now yes, once you complete this, okay, now calculation exactly you'll get the what? 9.8 meter per second square only. Understood or not? If you have any doubt, once check it approximately. This is 6.4, this is 6.4, 6.7, 6.6. 6 it is. Okay, now this 6, this 6, this 6 cancel or not? Remaining is what? Nearby the 1 or not? That is why only it is a 9.8. It is a 10, it is there, na? These all may cancel here actually. Nearby 9.8. Got it? Yes, once do mathematical calculation here, you will get it is. Understood or not? In this way only we written G is equal to 9.8 meter per second for Earth. Okay, for Moon it is a change. Okay, yeah, note down it is Yeah, this is the first concept. The next, already I discussed with you at the start of our classes. Okay, now yes, please, I want to share the photos for you. No time for us. Just listen carefully. Here, when a linear motion. Okay, now yes, variables are written as here. Whatever variable things are there. Okay, now yes, the returns are what actually? Yes, position. Okay, the position is become what here? X. Okay, clear or not? Position is become X only. Okay, now, but when it is a gravitational influential force, gravity motion, in the gravity motion, it will be also X only. But when there is a distance, it will become what? The distance is the become now here, yes, but we are represented with the H. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And next, after this, after the position and distance, we have the what? It is a height actually. Okay, now next one is velocity. Yes, the both are not changes. Here also V and V. There is no changes. V R U. We are taken V R U only. Got it or not? Yes. Next one is the what? Acceleration. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Acceleration is the become what here? The acceleration is here A. Here it is a become what? G. Yes, acceleration is the A here and here it is a G. And this G also varied. The G also varied. Okay, when there is in the direction of acceleration due to gravity, only the body travel. Means what? When the body comes toward the earth, it will be taken as plus G only. Okay, clear or not? Here you have to take this value is taken as what? Plus G only. Got it or not? When it is coming toward the earth, it will be taken as what? It is a small G only we have to take here. Okay, clear or not? And in case we are taken, it is opposite to the gravitational body. Means what? It will be go away from the, yes, it will be go away from the earth it is. Okay, now it will taken as minus G. Got it or not? When we taken the acceleration due to gravity, it will become toward the earth. At that time, it is taken as positive. When it will be go away from the body, it is taken as minus G. Understood or not, all the students? It will be taken as minus G. Means what? The drop here now it is a called what? It is a plus G. Yes, when I am taken like this, it is okay. It is a minus G. From here to here, the body travel like this. Yes, it will be taken as plus G. It will be go away from the earth. It will be taken as minus G. Okay, now that we have to should take here. The value should take like that only. Understood or not? Now, okay, you know very well equation of motion for a linear body. Okay, clear or not? Linear motion purpose, equation of motion are what? B is equal to U plus AD. Okay, now clear or not? And S is equal to UT plus half AD square. Okay, clear? Now, it is for what? It is a linearly the body the moves in the it is a linear motion. Okay, freely falling nothing but it will be like that it is. It will be dropped from somewhat a height it is. Got it or not, all the students? Now, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And next one is what? V square minus U square is equal to what? 2AS. And Sn is equal to taken as U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. Okay, clear or not? Yes, A U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. This is only the equation we are taken for what? This is only the equation we have taken for a S and we already discussed it. This is all contained in our second lesson also. Okay, now equations of motion, regular syllabus. And now there will be changes with the what? It will be changes with the V is equal to taken as what is the U plus AT? U plus AT. Here, actually, when the body drops from some height, here U is equal to become what? 0. Now I am given any velocity to it? No. That's why it is a become what? 0 plus what here?
What's on side?
To write GT. Okay, clear or not? Now B is equal to GT it is. Okay, next. S is equal to 0 into T plus half GT square. Now S is equal to half GT square. Got it? This is the second equation. Okay, clear or not? Next, V square minus V square is equal to 2AS. Here, AS, we have to take A and S is replaced with the what? H. G, H. Now, V square is equal to 2GH. Okay, in this way, we have to change our formulas. Got it or not? Now, the last one it is the become change as what actually? The last but one it will be changed as Sm is equal to Sm is equal to yes, it is equal to taken as 0 plus d into n minus 1 by 2. Sm is equal to S nothing but what? It is the H. The height of the body. It is equal to what? G into n minus 1 by 2. This is only the formulas. Okay, now it's a very important. Everyone must and should follow it. Okay, now this one 1, 2, and 3 and 4. For this lecture 4, okay, now these are important. Please note down.